Hello and welcome to my video, How to Export High-Resolution Images from Microsoft PowerPoint. And this is without the registry change. In previous training, I would show students how to configure PowerPoint permanently to export JPEG images at 300 dpi. And this would be via a modification to the Windows Registry. Now, a lot of students pushed back on that a little. They didn't want to modify the registry, and I don't blame them for not wanting to mess with that. If you mess it up, you mess up your whole system. So this is a way to export high-resolution images without that registry modification. Let's jump over to PowerPoint, and I'll show you how to do it. Now here I am in some slides, and to export these slides at a high resolution rather than the standard, I come to File, I come down to Export, I click Change File Type, and then I double-click on JPEG, which is the type we want to export. It comes up and asks where I want to save this. So let's say I want to save it in my downloads, and I want it to be a JPEG, or I want it to be this name, the name of the file. Then before I save, this is the trick. You come over to Tools, and you pick Compress Pictures. And here, rather than the standard 150 or 96 ppi output that it would generate, you can pick 330 ppi. That's high enough for a book cover or for print output. And then you click OK. Now you say Save, and it goes through the standard prompts of asking you, do you want to save just one slide or all the slides? Let's say we just want one. If I say all the slides, it'll create a directory with all of the slides exported as JPEG files. I'm just going to export the one, and voila, it's out at high resolution.